We are now connected into Wayplan. You are here on the home dashboard of the solution. Click here to open the menu of all available features on Wayplan. At the top of the page, you will also find a quick search to find any data about your customers and passengers, alerts for monitoring your activity, tutorials to complete your training. Below, this whole area offers practical shortcuts to visualize incoming requests, to access the planning of your jobs, to follow up or invoice your orders, or to track your bills and payments. Finally, we find global trends on the evolution of your mission volume and sales amount, a direct access to your profile and Waycorp network partners, presentation of other partners of the network. Here's what we could summarize about the dashboard that welcomes you when you access Wayplan. Let's now focus on the mission planning, which is the central interface for managing your activity. Here is the list of all the jobs already entered in your schedule. They are classified by date and time of pickup. All customers and all order files combined. Use the calendar to select the date of your choice, or enter a start date and end date to display your missions in the range you are interested in. On each job line, we can read two key informations. Here, the file number of the order associated to the job, and here, the mission status that we could define as its advancement state. Indeed, Wayplan proposes different statuses to identify in a second at which stage are each of your missions. We find all these statuses here at the top of the page. This bar illustrates the life cycle of a mission that starts on the far left with the status 0, when a new mission is created and when it has to be processed, and ends on the far right with the status G, meaning that the invoice has been generated. Between the two, the statuses allow you, for example, to know if the quotation has been sent, if the customer has confirmed the job, if it has been sent to the driver, or if the driver is on location, etc. Note that depending on the situation, you will not necessarily use all these statuses. For example, if you do not send a quotation to your client, you will not indicate the status 3 on the jobs concerned. A final point to close this chapter on the first marks in Wayplan. Notice how fast Wayplan allows you to find or display the requested informations. Everything is instantaneous. For example, I can use the ruler on the status to only visualize the confirmed jobs. I can search for jobs concerning a passenger or a customer. As soon as I start typing the passenger's name, the jobs list adapts in real time. It is also possible to search for a mission by any criteria. The magnifying glass icon here displays all the search possibilities by driver, by type of vehicle, by place, and many others. Here are the main informations to understand the mission planning. Let's now move on to the next step.